Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. And basically we have a few options. We can use an application and we can use control at the speaker. In the application, if you open it, your speaker should be of course connected with your phone, tap on it, and right here we have volume control slider. So just move the slider to the right to increase the volume and to the left to lower the volume. You can also use the controls on your phone, but I guess you know it. And the last one is to use the controls. So let me play some video. And right here at the top, at the right side, we have this wheel. To increase the volume, you need to press at the volume up button. And as you can see, I increase the volume. And to lower the volume, you need to press and hold at the volume down button. And as you can see, I lower the volume. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.